Hi, Chris from Matilda Education here. Welcome to MyDigital, the home of Matilda's enriched digital textbooks. In this video, I'll show you how to add a digital textbook to your library. Go to mydigital.matildaeducation.com.au and log in using the email address you used to register. This will take you to your library. To access a new digital resource, you'll need a code to activate it in your library. Click on the Activate Code tile. For this walkthrough, I'll be adding Good Humanities 7. If you're a student, you'll be entering a code from the inside front cover of your textbook, or a code that gives you access to a digital-only textbook. If you are accessing a new student textbook, then click on the Activate Access Code button. If you have a second-hand student textbook, click on Reactivate Access Code. You will need to enter the code from your second-hand textbook to activate a new digital copy, and then enter your reactivation code, which begins with REA. But for now, we'll go back and add a new textbook. Enter the 9-digit access code, including the dashes. The access code is a mixture of upper and lowercase letters and numbers. Please be aware, it is easy to confuse a 0 with an uppercase letter O. Likewise, a capital I, a lowercase l, and the number 1. If your code contains one of these symbols and you get an error message, please try an alternative symbol. If you purchased a digital-only product, you will have received an email with the digital access code. Cut and paste the code into the code activation field to avoid keying errors. Once you've entered the code, click Verify. Important note for teachers. The access codes in the inside front cover of the textbooks are student codes. If you redeem one of these codes, you won't be able to redeem a teacher code for this textbook. Teacher digital access codes are available for purchase on our website, or contact your sales representative for more details on teacher access. You can click Back now. Or, if you're ready to proceed, click Activate. You have now successfully added the first textbook to your library. That's it for now. Remember to visit vimeo.com/Matilda Education for our next video walkthrough to help enrich your teaching and learning. Thank you for choosing Matilda Education.